Hello there, my friends. So I had a viewer who was asking me, is there a button to raise the volume on your JLab Go Air true wireless signature earbuds? The answer is no, there is no button. But there is a way to turn the volume up and down. So once your earbuds are paired with your device, and I don't have to worry about copyright violations since this is one of my videos, in fact the very video that the person asked. If you take the right earbud and you tap it, see, the volume went up. Tap it, the volume goes up. Tap it, the volume goes up. If you tap the left one, tap it, volume goes down. See that bar moving there? The volume goes down. So that's how you do it. Now be careful, because if you actually press and hold, then you'll go to the next track. So if you're listening to like a playlist, it'll go to the next track, or if you press and hold the left one, it'll go to the previous track. So you want to just tap it. And it usually takes, for me, it takes like a tap to kind of like let the earbuds know that it wasn't a mistake. And then the second tap seems to either lower on the left-hand side or on the right, if I tap that, increase the volume. So I hope that answers your question. No, there's no button. It's just haptic, response, tapping. So have a great day. See if you can help somebody else. Smash like for me and subscribe, please.